In fusion simulation applications, especially in flight simulators, multiple DP to HDMI cables are required to connect the large LED displays between the host graphics card and the projector. The images simulated by the host will be transmitted to the display device with the HDMI interface to DP cables. However, the ordinary DP to HDMI copper cable often brings several major problems instead of fiber cables. The copper cable is not long enough to be used in large projects. The copper cable has signal loss and delay, and the video signal is prone to stuttering. The cable body is susceptible to external electromagnetic interference, and there will be a splash screen and a blank screen. Insufficient bandwidth and low video resolution, affecting the display performance. These problems make the flight simulator unable to achieve the immersive experience. In order to solve the above problems, Bridgee has developed an optical fiber core PROF DPH18 DP1.4 to HDMI 2.0 fiber optic cable. The plug shell is made of zinc alloy material, which is sturdy and durable. All components used inside the plug are imported from international suppliers. The German chips and American laser device can transmit 18 gigabits per second signals efficiently and stably. The cable can support 4K at 60 Hz signal output. It's powerful in performance and durable in quality. Both DP connector and HDMI connector adopt 24K gold plating process, which can resist corrosion and oxidation efficiently and ensure the stability of signal transmission. The DP connector has a snap design to ensure that the plug connection is firm and not easy to loose. Reinforced boot design to prevent cables from loosening. OM310 gigabit multimode fiber is used in the core, which can transmit high-definition video signals efficiently and without delay, and is not subject to external electromagnetic interference, ensuring smooth video without stuttering and flickering. The cable body is flexible and will not be damaged by moderate bending. The maximum cable length is 165 feet, 50 m, which can be used in large simulator projects such as flight simulators. We connect the DPH18 fiber optic cable to the graphics card and the monitor respectively, which can be used in large-scale fusion simulation industries such as flight simulators, providing users with a high-definition and smooth video performance. The cable can also be connected to the projector and the host. You can see that the video displayed is colorful, clear, and smooth. If you want to know more about this product, go to bridgee.cc.